What is up, guys? Today I'm going to be breaking down a topic that I've been finding very interesting lately, and I'm going to be doing it with the help of Humyn.
Shady's back. Tell a friend. Guess who's back? 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 Na 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 na.
Yeah, so in case you haven't been able to figure it out yet, the topic that I've been interested in is AI music. And especially these two posts have really been making me think. If you've been following AI music like I have for the past couple months or year or so, then you'll be able to notice that it's gotten a lot better in not a lot of time. And that's what I'm going to be analyzing with the help of Humyn. I chose these two links because they had a lot of discussion about what people think about AI and how it could develop not only in the near future, but also in the far future, and what implications that could have on the music industry as a whole. So, now that I've found my links, I'll come over here to the Humyn website and I'll simply create a new project. And then once I've created my new project, I'll come over here, insert my research topic, and then I'll enter in some keywords such as music, suno, good, bad, realistic, and then whatever others come to mind. And then once I've added all the necessary keywords, I'll come over, copy in the URLs, and then I hit run analysis. And after a few seconds of waiting, my request will be sent to the server, and then I'll have my results not long after. See you guys on the other side. Alright, welcome back. Now our analysis has finally been completed. Let's check out some of the results. So when we click over to metrics, we can see that, somewhat unsurprisingly, majority of the sentiment is negative. However, there is a pretty sizable neutral portion of the total comments. And when we look down here by aspect, we see a pretty interesting mix of positive and negative, especially when it comes to quality and experience. And then here are some others, such as usability. Interestingly enough, a lot more positive than there are negative. And we can come over to explore to see this in a little bit more detail. Up here, this table shows us just all the comments that were ingested and included in this data set. And we can up this to 20 so we can see more, as well as sort by um, quality and positive. And we can see some summaries of comments that were positive about the quality of AI music. And then scroll down here, we can find these comments in full detail. This user talks about songs needing a minor refinement to be excellent. This user talks about um, music production in AI versus human made and how it's frighteningly good. And on the flip side, we can change this to negative to see some reviews on the opposite side of the spectrum. And this user talks about not wanting to listen to something that wasn't actually made by another human. This comment talks about uh, the AI's attempts to reproduce Eminem's lyrics and not really meeting the mark. And then finally, we can come up here to AI chat and ask some unique questions. And in AI chat, I'll ask something that I'm personally curious about. What are some arguments in favor of AI? What are some arguments in favor of AI music? And after some thinking, AI chat will provide some responses that come directly from the data I put in. And here you can see some top givens reasons such as personalization, AI can tailor music to individual preferences, as well as efficiency. AI can automate repetitive tasks in music production, freeing up human composers to focus on more creative aspects. So, as you can see, Humyn is a very useful tool when it comes to getting an understanding of how people feel about a topic, whether it be a topic you're professionally interested in or just something you're personally curious about.